everyone, today we are going to start our new poem, that is poem number 8 of Beehive on Killing a Tree. So first we read the introduction of the poem. The poet sensitized the reader and highlight the fact that trees are living things. He equates trees with human to convey that trees should not be cut because destroying trees is just like killing a human being. A tree does not die by merely cutting because it regrows from where it is cut. If it has to be destroyed, then it has to be uprooted. Explanation. First, it takes much time to kill a tree, not a simple jab of a knife will do it. It has grown slowly, consuming the earth, rising out of it, feeding upon its crust, absorbing years of sunlight, air, water, and out of it leprous hide sprouting leaves. Means a simple cut does not destroy a tree. A tree grows gradually. It is rooted in the soil. A plant takes nutrition from the soil to grow into a big tree. The tree is firmly bound with the soil. It takes in sunlight, water, and air to grow into a strong trunk and have numerous leaves. So hack and chop, but this alone wouldn't do it. Not so much pain will do it. The bleeding bark will heal, and from close to the ground will rise curled green twigs, miniature boughs, which, if unchecked, will expand again to former size. Means humans cut and chop the bark of the trees into many pieces, but that is not sufficient to destroy the tree. Hack का means होता है cut roughly by striking heavy blows. The point of the tree which gets cut gives out sap just like a human being's split. Gradually this wood heals and from there new branches starts growing again. No, the root is to be pulled out of the anchoring earth. It is to be roped, tied and pulled out, snapped out or pulled out entirely out of the earth cave, and the strength of the tree exposed the source, weight and weight, the most sensitive hidden for years inside the earth. Means the poet says that in order to kill the tree, it has to be uprooted. One has to separate the tree from the earth which supports it. The roots of the tree bind the tree with the soil in the pit of the earth. From there, the most sensitive and hidden part of the tree, the roots have to be detached. The roots are white in color and are damp. Then the matter of scorching and choking in air, sun and air, browning and hardening, twisting, withering, and then it is done. Scorching and choking means the drying up of the tree after being uprooted. And now we will start the explanation. Once the tree has been uprooted, then gradually it withers and dries up with the action of heat and wind. The trunk will become brown, twist and will harden. Finally the tree will die this way. I hope you understand well. Thank you.